What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that how to learn PC repair. Yes, how to learn PC repair. I will be telling you to learn the PC repair. It's much better. You study for the excuse me, for the computer A plus material. To be honest with you, nowadays I recommend go to linda.com. I will put in a link. Watch the entire around 14-hour part 1 and part 2 in total of CompTIA A plus material, which is very useful, to be honest with you. After watching that one, if you wanna memorize, I won't recommend getting a CompTIA A plus certification. Here's my CompTIA, I have my CompTIA A plus certification, but it's like worthless nowadays. But if you wanna sit just to test your knowledge, you can go and sit. As my computer plus certification is valid up to 2018. Next year I'm going to renew. Let's see, am I going to renew or not after, because even the computer A plus material, if you're watching by learning by the videos, or also I recommend the book called computer A plus for dummies. Even they recommend you have some PC around. You can easily grab a $50 PC, to be honest with you, from a grass sale, absolutely no problem. And then you can easily, to be honest with you can easily start studying. It's not hard. I mean, you start studying, practice the material again, you study, you practice it on no PC, try to repair, try to do everything. Also nowadays in PC repair, most of the stuff, especially Windows 10, most of the stuff had become software, hardware had become more robust. You understand command line, that kind of stuff, how to connect network, I mean IP config, that kind of command. Yeah, that is my take at the end of the day. If you're learning PC repair for business, don't do it. The market is that, to be honest with you. And it was me, Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box below. Speaking from Africa. Bye.